This is a quick demo how to disable or enable administrator account in Windows 10. Usually in Windows 10, administrator account by default it is disabled when you installing Windows 10. So here we are going to see how to enable or disable the administrator account. For that, first go to this PC and right click, go to manage. Here go to local users and groups and click users. The another way of going to this local users and groups is go to run command and type lusrmgr.msc and click enter. Here click users and here you can see administrator account. Right click the administrator, go to properties. Here you can notice that account is disabled option is enabled. So just untick the account is disabled and also make sure the user must change the password at next time. This means you have to reset the password when you log in again. So if you don't need means you just untick and also make sure password never expires and click apply and OK. That's it. Your administrator account is enabled. If you want to disable the administrator, same thing, just right click the administrator, go to properties and click account is disabled and click apply. That's it. Your account is disabled. You can't view the account in your login screen. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, share, like, and if you have any question, comment below. Thanks for watching.